work on a problem and really do something that's never really been done before and just apply it to a completely new situation is definitely very enjoyable. But to actually come out here and do applied research and actually build a physical implementation of a robot that has to go and really function in any lighting conditions, for example, that we see, is just something that you would never experience in a classroom. It's a great way to get involved with research at your university, and then to actually be able to see something from concept to completion is a fantastic feeling to see your robot actually go out and mow a course, and it's a fantastic feeling.
It's just a great way to learn. I mean, you go in the classroom and you learn a lot of theory, but to come out and actually practice it, you really do get a very good fundamental understanding of how it works.
I think this project just simulates very well the idea of a real project out in the real world, working as a real engineer. It's just great because you're taking a very real problem that I don't think necessarily has a solution yet. Just the challenge of looking for the best way to do it, just for me, just made this project very worthwhile.
One of the things I enjoyed the most about the competition was probably just seeing all the machines get to go, you know, all the different unique ways of solving the problem. Obviously there's tons of engineering knowledge that we gained, GPS, laser rangefinder, webcam, vision processing, all of that. On top of all of that, you know, there's project management, time management. As being the team leader, I had to make sure that everybody was on schedule, on time, on budget, and so I learned a lot from that as well.
You can read as many textbooks as you want, you can do all the simulation and modeling on your computer and so on, but as soon as you take something in the field, things are going to go wrong. And having students go through that experience and kind of witness it firsthand and overcome these obstacles and actually get out there and compete, I think it's just going to be a huge opportunity for them.
Well, the way I feel after doing these kind of programs, I feel it benefited me in a really positive way. Because not only did I learn like robotics or how to put things together, you can apply these things like in everyday life. I mean, you become really handy. Something fixes, you pull kind of like a MacGyver move, if you would say. You earn a lot of leadership skills from this program, and that's what companies really look for. People who can think for themselves, people who could take command and do what it needs to do to get things done.
This is a great learning experience. This is a great social networking experience. This is something that you can put on your resume, and this is something that you can really learn so much, you know, from the real project that you can put your hands on. It's you know, there is no price for that.
I think companies should sponsor something like this from just the idea that you're getting better trained electrical, mechanical, software engineers, people working on problems, getting that problem-solving ability way earlier, not just the book knowledge, but the more abstract problem-solving capabilities.
This is probably one of the better interviews a company could do with a group of students. If you get a lot of hands-on access to students, there's 3 days of the actual competition where sponsors are invited to come out and interact with the kids. So I think it's a unique and great opportunity to, you know, recruit potential employees. So.
I think for the students, the educational value of a competition like this is, I don't think you can measure it. These are the best students that participate in these things. So if you're a potential employer, here's an opportunity for you to get access to some students who already have some skills that are directly applicable when they walk on their job with you day one. They can be productive employees right away.